you still wear that white ribbon around your neck?
That was my jam.
Yeah, I like that. Can't see that we'll ever make it back there, though.
I'm okay with that.
And that is how we became addicts.
People getting killed. Because I'm seeing on the news that people are getting killed. I know that you're gonna make it through.
You gotta go back to rehab.
I don't want to be in rehab. I want to be with you.
You can't be here with me.
That's not your decision to make.
Yes, it is my decision.
No, it's not your decision
Yes,
to make.
it is my decision.
It's not
Yes,
your
it
It
is.
is not your decision to make. I would love a break from all of this shit.
Yeah, baby, I'm here. I just miss you, that's all.
I love you.
I waited 2 years for you to come back from that hellhole. 2 years. And I stayed with you through so much fucked up shit. Fuck! Yeah! And I really don't want to do this alone. Please don't make me do this.
I know you're broken. But please don't break my daughter. If you love her, then you'll be a man and walk away.
But I can't. I'm not good for him. I'm not good for anything. I have this noise in my head.
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground now!
So goddamn loud. And I can't make it stop.
It was up. One day it was just, you'll go quiet.